This is the process of the one stain to another stain. So we're gonna sand, take it off the poly, and then we're gonna apply the new stain. Okay, so I sent only half part, half door. So from here to here, we take the poly. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the stain. We take the stain with the rag. Okay, so let's see how it works. I think it's gonna look very nice, but let's see how looks, how turn. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. So okay, so this is the old one, and this side is the new one. So I like it. So we're gonna leave like that, and then we're gonna put the seal, and then we're gonna put varnish after that. Thank you guys. I think I like it. Yeah, my customer's gonna be very happy with this. So I make a sample for them. Looks really good.